Folks, welcome back to another episode. So today is going to be part two of this year's camping series, and I said a while ago that it might be like a 3 video series, but I'm gonna skip a day. We had a day in there where we caught a bunch of fish, but they were all like that 1 pound to 2 pound range, and I'm just gonna skip that day, and I'm just gonna jump right into this next day just so we can start moving on because I have a lot of footage saved up even after camping. So I'm just gonna skip that one day and I'm just gonna jump into the day right after. Now, it was a really good day. I got some really good ones. So I'm just gonna start on that day. It was a crazy morning I had out kayak fishing. Um, yeah, it was crazy. So I'm just gonna jump right into it and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hey, relax. First fish of the morning on the jig, just a little guy. That's a good one. There we go. There's a good one on the jig. Whew, that one just came out of nowhere and just smoked it right by the kayak. It's a good one. Heck yeah. All right. There's another one. Oh, I missed him though. Oh, I still got him. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Stop, 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 stop. You're barely hooked. You're barely hooked. Please don't, please don't, please don't. There's another good one. 2 casts in a row. That's a fat one. Heck yeah. There we go, another one on the swim jig. Just over 17. There's another one. Oh, 3 casts in a row. Three back-to-back casts. That one's just a little guy. There's another fish. It's another good one. 4 back-to-back casts. Holy smokes.
4 back-to-back casts on the jig. Dang it, I was hoping I'd get one 5 in a row. There's a fish. Good Lord, I found a honey hole. There's another one on the swim jig. And I knew if I could just get over here, there's gonna be a bunch. There's another fish. Little guy. There's another one. Oh, that's a good one too. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Stay down, stay down. Stay down. Stay down, stay down. Get on here. Yes. There's another really good one on the swim jig. Yes. It's a 19-incher. That is a good one right there. Heck yeah. Alright, let's get him back. Oh, there's another good one. It's another really good one. Get over here. Heck yeah. I just lost my swim jig, broke it off on a pike. But I made do with what I got. We're still catching fish, so. There you go. It's a good one. Little guy. That's a good one too. Oh, get out of there. Get out of there. Stay hooked, stay hooked. There. Whew. Well, that's a good one too. Come on, stop it. Oh, that's a good one. And the frog. Good Lord. Dude, stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. That's a good one on the frog. $19-incher. That's a good one. Ah, I couldn't hang on to him. He was way too strong. Oh. Oh boy. That's a good one too. Stay hooked. He ain't hardly hooked. Watch out, Grandma. He's about to pop off. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I got him. I thought he was about to pop off. That's a good one. Goodness, I'm getting some big fish this morning. Holy crap. He's a 20-incher. That is a good one right there. He's a little skinny, otherwise he would be a 5-pounder. I'd say he's more like 4 something. Heck yeah. Is he gonna go? There he goes. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down and calm down. Oh yeah. There's another good one. Give him 2 3/4. It's a good one.